Hello viewers, this is Mrs. L. Jetruth Imelda Mary, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. In this video, I am going to explain finding the roots of a complex number for 3rd BSc Mathematics students in the subject Complex Analysis 1. Let me start with some basic definitions and properties and notations of a complex number. Usually complex number is an ordered pair of real numbers x and y and is denoted by z equal to x plus iy or the ordered pair x comma y. Here x is the real part of z and y is imaginary part of z. So when we talk about the complex number, we are interested to find the conjugate of z. Therefore the conjugate of z is denoted by z bar and is defined as z bar equal to x minus iy or the ordered pair x comma minus y. Similarly, the conjugate of z bar is denoted by z bar the whole bar, which is defined as z bar the whole bar equal to x minus iy the whole bar, which is nothing but x plus iy, that is equal to z. Properties of complex number. Sum of the two complex number is a complex number. That is, if z1 and z2 are two complex number, then z1 plus z2 is also a complex number. Similarly, difference of two complex number is a complex number and product of two complex number is a complex number. Division of two complex number is also a complex number. If z1 and z2 are complex number, then z1 by z2 is complex number provided z2 not equal to 0. Now the exponential form of complex number. The polar representation of a complex number z equal to x plus iy is defined as in the exponential form z equal to r of cos theta plus I sin theta, that is z equal r e power I theta, which is the exponential form of a complex number. Here r is nothing but the absolute value of z and theta is argument of z, that is r equal to mod z and theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Let me solve the following problem. Find the fourth root of minus 16 or find all the roots of rectangular coordinates minus 16 whole power 1 by 4. Here you are going to use the exponential form of a complex number to represent the given value minus 16. For that, let us take z equal to minus 16. Minus 16 can be written as 16 into cos pi plus I sin pi, because cos pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0. Therefore that minus 1 is replaced by cos pi plus I sin pi. Then the corresponding exponential form of the given number is written as z equal to 16 e power I pi. Therefore the general notation of this particular value complex number is written as 16 e power I into pi plus 2k pi for all k greater than or equal to 0. Now you have to find fourth root of unity. Therefore I am taking fourth root on both sides. Therefore z power 1 by 4 is equal to 16 e power I into pi plus 2k pi whole power 1 by 4. Using De Moivre's theorem, we have z power 1 by 4 equal to 16 whole power 1 by 4 into e power I of pi plus 2k pi divided by 4, which is nothing but we take z power 1 by 4 as ck is equal to 16 whole power 1 by 4 into e power I pi by 4 into e power I k pi by 2 for k is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. We take that as equation 1. Now we have to find four roots of the given complex number. Therefore we'll take, when k equal to 0, from equation 1 we have c naught is equal to 2 into e power I pi by 4 into e power 0. E power 0 is 1. Therefore we have 2 e power I pi by 4. That is c naught is equal to 2 cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4, or 2 into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so that we have 2 into 1 plus I. Put k equal to 1. Therefore from equation 1 we get c1 is equal to 2 e power I pi by 4 into e power I pi by 2. Here k is equal to 1. Therefore we have the second part as e power I pi by 2, which is nothing but 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4, and the second term is written as cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 cos pi by 4, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Similarly, sin 45 is also 1 by root 2, and cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1. Therefore, finally we get I into root 2 into 1 plus I, or minus root 2 into 1 minus I. When we put k equal to 2 in equation 1, we get C2 is equal to 2 e power I pi by 4 into e power I pi, or 2 into e power I pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2, and e power I pi is minus 1 plus I 0. So finally we get C2 is equal to minus root 2 into 1 plus I. Then we put k equal to 3 in equation 1. We have C3 is equal to 2 e power I pi by 4 into e power 3 pi by 2, e power I 3 pi by 2, or we may write this as 2 e power I 7 pi by 4. That 7 I pi by 4 is written as minus pi by 4 plus 2 pi, so that we have 2 e power minus I pi by 4 into e power I 2 pi. Then replace that e power minus I pi by 4 by 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2, and e power I 2 pi is 1 plus 0 I. Finally we get root 2 into 1 minus I. Hence the required roots are minus root 2 into 1 plus I, plus root 2 1 minus I, minus root 2 1 minus I, and root 2 into 1 plus I. These are the 4 roots of the given complex number. Thank you for watching this video.